The Sailun S696-EFT is a high-performance super single trailer tire built for precision, stability, and exceptional fuel efficiency. Its wide shoulder rib design resists lateral scrub wear, while a 13/32" tread depth promotes even wear and long, reliable service life. Deep tread grooves channel water away for confident control in wet conditions. Featuring Sailun's advanced EcoPoint3 Tread Compound, the S696-EFT delivers industry-leading low rolling resistance and reduced operating costs without compromising durability. SmartWay Verified, it supports fleet sustainability goals with lower emissions and improved fuel economy. With shallow tread and solid shoulders that enhance stability and minimize irregular wear, it's built to keep trailers running true and efficient. The Sailun S696-EFT, smart, stable, and engineered for the long haul.